Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Facebook video upload failed. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that when you try to upload a video, you might see the error that your video upload failed. So you just have to open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just simply open Facebook here, and here just click on the profile icon, and you can retry to upload your video. You can try to completely refresh your page and then now retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed the issue, so you can try to check your network connection. Just make sure that your network is working well, is stable, or has not an issue with your network. If you find an issue with your network, so you can try to fix your network first and then you can retry. If you're still getting the same issue, so you might be on your app because in the website you might not get this issue more time after reloading your page. If you're still facing the same issue on your phone or on your app, so you just have to try to clear the cache from your app. And after doing that, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.